Hello everybody, my name is Joshua John J. Manlangit and welcome back to Home Shark. And today we're going to buy Megalodon. Oh, it's pretty big. Oh yeah, let's play Megalodon. Okay, there's something in here. How much does this cost? 900. Oh, come on. What? So yeah, let's try equip because it's Christmas. Oh yes, today I have the key for Megalodon. Megalodon will be big, strong, and as a scarf, yeah. Oh, Megalodon is big. Wow, has a big life. Oh yeah, yo, Megalodon's big. Oh yeah. Big enough to kill them all. So yeah, he can walk on like land. So yeah, eat all of those things. Eat all of them. Don't get them away. Eat them all. Keep doing it. Keep eating them. Just eat them all. Gotta eat them all. Okay. Just gotta eat them all. Oh yeah. You can like eat. Megalodon can like eat everything. Eat everything, Megalodon can do that. And stroller. Look, Santa, early visit. Santa, will I get my present now? Santa, what's my present, Santa? I've been a good boy since I was born. Okay. I was eating fish, Santa. Be my guest, Santa. Eat them all. Yeah. How much deep can this Megalodon can get? Oh. He's, like not that normal. And I can like eat everything in there. Yeah. I can eat everything, like most likely everything. I can eat those bombs. Yeah, those bombs. Eat that. Eat, keep eating, eat all of those. Yeah. Whoa, eat all. Gold rush from Megalodon. The first gold rush from Megalodon. Sorry about that. He's big. He's huge. He is a shark. He is Megalodon. Yeah. Megalodon. It's big, Megalodon. Big Megalodon. Yeah, big Megalodon. Big. Come. Eat. Oh, who are you? I'm gonna kill you now. Okay, wow. What is that? Submarine broke. Let's go in here. Have a wonderful fun time. Jellyfish. I can eat those China jellyfish. Haha, don't need those anymore. I can eat jellyfish, but also eat them. Just keep eating. Except for that thing. Yeah. Keep eating. Keep oh yeah. That's great. Oh, I love a shark. I mean a pyro shark. No, I can't eat a pyro shark. I must eat a pyro shark. Eat a pyro shark. Oh, come on. Why do I even need a bigger shark? This is a big shark. Already been a big shark. No, pyro shark. Oh, I wish it was a gold rush. Why wasn't it a gold rush? But where am I? Don't mind my grandmother. So yeah, keep eating. Focus on the video. Keep eating. Oh, look a shell. Let's check. Eat 125 mines. Find a shell to unlock. Find a shell to unlock. So something. Do it. Ah. Yeah. Keep eating. Big. Oh, let's try. Go in here. Look, there's a...
Asiwan.
Come on. Revenge. Mothership, die. Wow, first time ever defeated a mothership. No, not yet. I wanna explore how strong this world is. I mean, it's hard. Sometimes it's hard, sometimes it's not hard. But yeah, let's keep eating. I think don't mind that portal right over there. Yeah, just keep eating. Yeah, keep eating. Yeah. Yeah. Now. I died. So fast. Just 4 minutes. And why? 360 points. That's only you gave me. Why? Megalodon failed me. Why Megalodon? Why? Look, it's a Big Daddy. So big. That's why we call him Big Daddy. Okay. Max health, no limit, maximum size. Oh yeah. Let's keep playing. Oh yeah, guys. Let's buy something in here. That is good. Yeah, I wanna blood bath. I don't wanna buy that. Oh, camera. Camera. Okay. So zoom. Oh yeah. Santa. So I got that on. Okay, let's try do it. Yeah. Okay. So now what's next? Where's the camera? I can't find the camera. Where's the camera? No camera. Okay, quit game first. Why was it? I'm so angry. I spent my 50 gems for that. Wow. For that camera. What to? You do it. How? I spend my 50 gems on useless. Cry. Why? Why got to be so useless? How do I do it? How do you use? How? I can see how. What is it this time? I believe I can fly. Yeah, shell. Eat. Oh yeah, let's get the gem. Sian. Oh yeah, eat. So you're in a rage. Yeah. Yeah, no. Beach ball. Nasabog! A gem. Yeah, a gem. What? Okay, beach ball. Don't fail me, please. Beach ball. Beach ball, no. Don't fail me. Beach ball. Was 6. Boy, made it to 6. Oh. Well, I just made it to 7. Wow. Oh, boosh. Ha, boosh. I break it. Yeah, break it. I broke it. Oh, beach ball, you remember me? Beach ball? You're running away from me? Ah. Yeah. Magbrush. Oh, beach ball, you're back. You came back for me. Dig. Oh, come on, just do. Eat. Okay, guys, that's all for today. Like and subscribe to my channel, and see you guys for the next video. Bye bye.